Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to start a playlist or a series on how to solve popular algorithm questions in JavaScript, and we are going to do that in the order of their complexity or difficulty. So the first one that we are going to start with today is the string reversal. Okay, and if you like my content, kindly subscribe to my channel so that every time I post another video on algorithms or any other topic, you are going to be notified. Alright, so let's start with the first algorithm problem, which you are going to do in this video is string reversal. And in the next video, you are going to handle the palindrome, the next one integer reversal, fifth bus, and you'll go down according to the order of difficulty. So let's start with the string reversal. And the question says, given a string of characters as input, write a function that returns it with the characters reversed. Right, so it's good to understand the question. So the question is, you are given a string of characters and that is input, and the expected result is the reversed characters, right? Okay, so let's go to the I've set up this, just a file that is index.html, and then string this file string reverse.js, and then this one just write a file, don't worry about it. Okay, now we are going to write the code here, and I've opened the same project in the browser here, you can see here, and every changes that I'm going to do here, they are going to be output here. So let me just try to do console.log reverse str, and I save, and you can see here it has been logged. So that's what you are going to do. So let's go back to the question and understand the question well. Because the first thing is to understand the problem. So you are given input. So given input as a string of characters, and then let's look at expected output. What is expected output, or what is expected of you? The first thing is to write a function. All right, and the function should return reversed string, right? And that is the output. So after breaking down the problem into its components, and that is when you can now start looking for the solution to that problem. So the first thing I think the approach you need to use is to understand which data structure is being tested, because we have data structures and algorithms. Data structure is just the arrangement of data, and we have many data structures like array, we have stacks, we have queues, and so on. Now in this case, I think they are testing the array, because there are many ways of solving this, right? There are very many ways of solving this. I think there are more than 10. Now let's just look at the 2. In this video, I'm just going to look at 2. But then I'm going to leave some link in the video description where you can check the Stack Overflow question where somebody asked about it, and the community suggested a lot of solutions. So let's start. You are given a string, so we just write a function. Okay, so let's use ES6. So const reverse str. I'm just going to call it str is equals to, you pass there the string. Okay, you pass there a string. You can just do str, and then all right. So this is just ES6 function, right? Understand ES6. This is just a function, and this function you are passing there the string argument there. right? So parameter okay, parameter. So what you want to do is, when we pass there the string, we want to return the reversed string, right? So it will be like return reversed, right? Like that. Okay, but let's now write it, right? So we are given a string. So there are inbuilt methods where you can convert that. We don't have the inbuilt method that will just reverse the strings once, but you have inbuilt method that you can combine, and the end result will be the reversed string. So the first thing is we can't reverse a string, but we can break the string into array, because we have a method, inbuilt method that can reverse an array of characters. So we can first convert that string into array of characters by doing str.split. Okay, we just split like that. Okay, empty space, where there is space we split, right? So this is will return an array, right? So let's just let me just console.log here. Let me just call that function here. So reverse str, and then I'll just pass there, welcome to Simon's Tech School channel. Just like that, right? So I'll just do that and save it. So what I want this to do, I just want it to console.log str. Let me just do this reversed, let reversed equals to that. I'm just going to do that, and then down here I'm going to console.log reversed. So I'm just going through this so that you can understand what the thinking process behind solving it. So when I console log at this point, you find out that it has been split into an array, right? It has been split into an array of words, like welcome to Simon's Tech School. Now I can reverse it now. Now, since this one has been converted into an array, I am able to use reverse inbuilt function where I just do reverse, okay, dot reverse, and this one is going to reverse the strings there, right? And you can see it has been reversed, right? But now this is an array of characters, right? This is an array of characters. It is not a string, because but expected is a string. Okay, it is, we expect a string, a reversed string. So to convert this back to a string, we just use also an inbuilt function called join. So just do dot join, and basically that is it. But then you have to join a character. You have to join like that, right? Yeah. Now you can see you have the reversed string. So we pass there this one, it reverses and returns the reversed version of the string. So basically that is it. It's as simple as that. This is the first solution. So just use the inbuilt methods split dot reverse dot join, right? That is the first solution. Okay, so let's look at the second solution. Let's look at second solution. So the second approach is you are given a string. So let me just again comment out this. I'll just comment out this one here. So const reverse const reverse equals to, so there is there a string, all right, and then we pass the string, and then here we can write our code in this function. So first thing we can just do let result equals to empty string like that. And then what you want to do, we want to loop through the string All right, we want to loop through the string, and for each character we will add this. Okay, we'll add every character are going to add the result. So this is what I'm saying. So we can use for character. Okay, I don't know if you understand the for loop here. This one here for character of string. So this is going to loop through the string and get each character. So for each character of this string, so what we just want to do is to result is equals to going to be equals to character plus character plus result. Okay, and then after that we can console log results, console.log results. Now I'm going to explain that. I'm going to explain that. Now after this, I'm just going to run it here. Just copy that and run it here. And just pass there. My name is Simon. And you can see here, it is reversed. So how does it work? How does this work? Okay, now this is a for loop. It is looping through each. This is the string that you have passed there. You can assume that this one is this one. All right, this argument you have passed there. Now this is the string. The string has character. So you have the first character is M, the second one is I. So and the result is equal. It starts with empty string here. So the first iteration, this result is going to be. So let's just break it down. So we are looping through the string characters here. So the first iteration, the result is equals to that empty string, and the character is equals to M, right? And here the result now is given a new, we are giving it a new value where we are adding character plus the result. So the character is M, right? And the result, so it is going to be this. So you can just new result is going to be character, which is M, plus empty string, which is just M, right? That is the first iteration. Okay, the second iteration, the character is Y, right? And the result is equals to the result, which will be M, is equals to character. The character is Y, right? You can see here is equals to character plus the result. The character will be the second iteration. The character is going to be Y, and the result is going to be M. So it is character plus result, which is going to be character is Y, and the result at that point is M. So you can see how it is reversed, and that is how it will continue to reverse it. So like the third iteration, this is going to be the result. So the third iteration, this is going to be the result, and the character is going to be N, right? So it is going to be this way. The new result is going to be the character at that point, which will be N plus the result, which will be this. So it's just going to be N, right? So that is how it is reversed that way. So I hope you understand that, and in case you enjoyed this or you have any question, just ask and I'm going to respond to it.